Hello and welcome. This is Linda Varnam of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. Our hands are very energetic. We use our hands all of the time for communicating, for interacting with others and the world around us. Sometimes the hands can feel a little stiff, and it's not surprising as the hands have many joints. In fact, the hands and the feet have more joints than anywhere else in the body, and we use the hands so much. So it's a good idea to take care of your hands. In the yoga and the qigong, there's many ways to do this. I love just giving my hands a little massage on a regular basis, helping with mobility, flexibility, and the circulation in the hands. Let's try that right now. Bring in your thumb into this indentation in the hand here, this center point, which in the Qigong is the Lao Gong point, an energy gateway for receiving and releasing energy. Start there with a little massage in the Lao Gong point. And then you can move out along the base of the fingers, coming along the fingers themselves. Do this at an intensity that feels right for you. When we come into self massage, this is one of the advantages that we can always feel and change the pressure. We can decide how much pressure we'd like to apply. Coming along each finger, then into the base of the thumb. You can move the thumb around a little there and come along to the end of the thumb. Let's take that to the other side, starting at the Lao Gong point. Come into the base of the fingers. And again, just applying the pressure that feels right to you. The base of the thumb. And then moving along through the thumb and the fingers, massaging through the joints. And let's rub the hands together vigorously. Create some energy between the hands and some circulation. You'll feel the hands becoming a little warmer. You can hold the hands apart, perhaps feeling the hands as tingling. This is energy in the hands, and perhaps also feeling them spontaneously move a little away from each other and back towards each other. This energy or chi in between the hands is sometimes called the chi ball. We can play with this chi ball a little, expanding and bringing it in. Feel the energy of your hands. Now let's just cup the hands together in the lap. Pause and breathe for a moment. Feel the energy in your hands. Take regular care of your hands for that energetic feel that we have of interacting with the hands to both release and receive. If you'd like to learn more about bringing these mind-body activities easily into your daily life in a very manageable way, subscribe to the Daily 10 Minute. You can learn more about the Daily 10 Minute at www.chanvar.com. Thanks for joining me today.